What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. So I'm gonna be installing some goodies from American Modified Off-Road on my 2018 Toyota Tacoma. And I'm gonna show you guys how to install their TRD Pro Grille in this video. And in the next video, I'll be showing you how to install the LED tail lights. Stay tuned. So before we do the installation, I wanna talk about the reasons why I'm taking this grille off. I just want to go ahead and change the look of my truck. Kind of got tired of this look, so we're going to be installing a new grille. Here's all the tools you'll need for this job. You'll need a 10mm socket wrench, a pry tool, and a Phillips head screwdriver. To remove your existing grille, you just have to remove these 10mm bolts here. There's going to be 2 of them. And next, there's going to be 1 of these clips on each side of the grille, and you'll just take your prying tool or a flathead screwdriver. If your Tacoma is a 2018 or newer, you're just going to have to remove your TSS sensor. Just go ahead and slip it off here for now. And to remove your grille, go ahead and just pull these up and then pull your grille straight back. Now that you took the grille off the truck, you're going to go ahead and remove these Phillips head screws. There's going to be a few of them around the grille, and also you're going to take these clips off. Once you remove the inner grille from the outer shell, you can then install the new grille. And here is the American Modified Off-Road TRD LED Pro Grille. Here it is. We're going to go ahead and install it now. And to install the new grille, it's pretty simple. You're just gonna line up the clips and then just push the clips in. Just like that, you're all done with this process. We're gonna install it back into the truck now. And to reinstall this is pretty simple. Line it up. Reinstall the bolts and the clips. So first thing, we're going to go ahead and reinstall the clips, and then we're going to reinstall the screws. Very last thing we need to do is wire in the LED lights. So there's going to be 3 wires here. The black is the negative. The yellow is for amber lights, and the red is for the white lights. American Modified Off-Road provides you the instruction manual with pictures, which makes it very simple for you guys to install it. I suggest you guys follow along with their instructions here, but I'll go ahead and show you how I'm going to go ahead and wire these in. So I'm going to go ahead and wire mine in to the fuse box. You'll need to add a fuse. You can get this from AutoZone or from Amazon, which is a lot cheaper. You get like 10 for like $7. You can go ahead and wire it straight to this spot right here. These are your injectors. When your injectors are on, the light will turn on. You can also use this slot here. When your headlights are on, it's gonna turn on. So you can actually use both slots. You can use one for the white light and one for the amber light, or vice versa. And for the negative, I'm just gonna install it straight to this little terminal right here, to the side of the truck. Okay, now that we're done installing the new grille, this is how it looks like with the lights off. And I'm gonna show you how it looks like with the lights on as well. And this is how it looks like with the white lights. Definitely looks a lot different than my previous grille. Kind of gives you the new Tacoma Tundra vibes. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the lights as well and show you guys how it looks like. And this is how it looks like in the dark. Looks pretty nice. And I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like with the amber lights next. And this is how it looks like with the amber lights. Let me know what you guys think of it. This is in the dark with the amber lights. Gives it a different look to it than the white lights. Let me know if you guys like the amber lights or the white lights. What's cool about this grill is that you can switch between the two.